So guys, in this video, I'm going to be going through where is the best place that you can put your money right now to gain the best interest rate in a current account and also fixed. So the first place I'll be looking at is a 1-year fixed growth bond with NSNI, the National Securities and Investment. It's 100% backed and protected by Her Majesty's Treasury, which means it's very, very safe. Now the best part about this is you can start with as little as £500 all the way up to £1 million. Now it's fixed, which means it's locked in. You cannot access it for the 1 year period, but you're guaranteed a gain of 6.25%. Now that is fantastic gains in a low risk investment if you believe that we are at peak interest rates within the UK, or if you're like me, I think we might have a 0.25% higher increase rate, then ultimately we're at what we call peak rates, and this is a great return to have for over 12 months. And with a maximum upside of £1 million, it's a great place to put your capital. Now, where do we look to put capital that is earning money, but we can use as our current account on a day-to-day basis? So usually this would start with something like private banking, where you'd have to actually lock something in fixed for 30 days. A private banker myself, and that's something that you can do. However, there is some great challenger banks out there. A prime example of a good challenger bank would be Kroo.com. Kroo.com. Now Kroo.com's current account gives an impressive 4.27% back. So you can access your money and you can still build gains on your current account. So that's Kroo.com, 4.27%. So you can go about your day-to-day life and still be making money from that interest, which is a fantastic return. And this obviously will change with interest rates, so keep that in mind, that it will update. But ultimately, you want to have your money working for you as much as you possibly can whilst it's sat in your current account doing nothing. There are better options out there, like Nationwide. Nationwide is offering a staggering 8% variable over 12 months. Now that is a huge amount of money. However, with the percentage gain being so high, there are limitations. So one of the main limitations is that the max deposit is £200 per month. And also another point behind this is that you could only make 3 withdrawal requests within the 12-month period. So it limits the accessibility of the account, and it also limits the amount of money that you can put into it. But if you have a small amount of capital, maybe you don't have enough for the growth bond, which is minimum £500 with NSNI, but if you have £200 per month that you can put aside, then Nationwide will allow you to be able to gain 8% variable on your account. So we have 3 options there for you. Initially we have Nationwide, which is 8% variable, but you're capped there at £200 monthly deposits. We then have the NSNI, which is 1 year fixed as well, but you cannot access it like you can on Nationwide, and that is 6.2% per annum, but that goes all the way up to £1 million maximum deposit per person, which is quite attractive to both small cash savers and also those that have a large amount of capital that they want to lock up for a year. And then you've got the current account with Kroo, which is very impressive as well, which you can access your money at any time, and this is a variable rate. That variable rate is 4.27% with Kroo, and it's similar to Monzo-like app where you can access it, move the money around and make payments just like normal banking feature. So there's some options there of the best places that I think you can put cash at this moment in time, both from a fixed perspective and also a current account, without having to have the huge bank balance of a private bank. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure we hit that like and subscribe button if you've enjoyed the tips around current accounts and also the best place to get cash savings. I'll see you in the next video.